Hi everyone, hope you're all well. It's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment to walk around this 2014 64 plate Volkswagen Caddy Maxi 1.6 TDI DSG automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. It's done 31,000 miles, one owner, ex-motability, so it comes with a full service history. Vehicle was converted by Allied Vehicles and seating for 5 plus the wheelchair or scooter. Comes with a winch. That's what you can see in the middle. And say width there is about 80 centimeters wide and it's about 135 centimeters in length. So there should be enough room there for wheelchair or mobility scooter. Also has a very clever fold flat floor function. If you bear with me, I'll just put that in position. Fold that piece down first, get the ramp. So that's the fold flat. And there you go. So just to get a nice conventional boot floor, so if you're not using it to transport a wheelchair or somebody in a wheelchair. Comes with parking sensors as well. Alloy wheels, there's privacy glass on there as well, which makes it set a little bit cooler. In the back there, so seating for 3. They will all tip up and fold forward, and you can remove them if you needed to. Show out the front. So it's all lovely and clean. So I'll show you around the driver's side. There you go, 31,361 miles. That's all your air conditioning, CD radio. That's obviously a automatic transmission. 2 keys as well. So there you have it. If that's of interest, if you want any more information, then please get in touch. You can either email us or give us a call. Thanks for watching.